Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm here today to share my story and also hopefully help you with yours. 16 months ago I found myself at a crossroads that I had never anticipated. After years of climbing the corporate ladder, I was handed the proverbial pink slip. I was laid off, made redundant, and the security of my six-figure salary vanished before my very eyes. It was a moment of sheer disbelief, fear and yes, panic. How would I pay my bills? How would I maintain the lifestyle I'd worked so hard to build? But here's where the story takes a turn. I realised that I had two choices. I could let this unexpected layoff defeat me, or I could take charge of my destiny. I chose the latter. I chose to work out how to make money from my own home, to develop real side hustles that would work, to develop multiple incomes and set up passive incomes that would continue to pay into the future. I have been in this journey for 16 months and hopefully can help you with your journey. Job security and regular incomes are at risk in this increasingly uncertain world. The world stage is changing and becoming more difficult to traverse. Artificial intelligence and automation is on the rise, cost of living increases, and all these things will impact our security to make regular money. In the beginning, I knew nothing about making money online. I was skeptical, as many are, of the promises and the countless get-rich-quick schemes that plague the internet. But I wasn't looking for a quick fix. I wanted to build something real, something sustainable. So I rolled up my sleeves and got to work. Some people I knew jumped from one get-rich-quick scheme to another, and all they did was lose their money. I wanted real income, real passive incomes, and to build a real future. The first order of business was establishing a strategy of how I would develop several sources of income. In this video, I'll take you through that strategy. In future videos, I will be delving into the details and provide you with content that will help you develop and execute your own strategies. So please subscribe to the channel and click the like button and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. So let's go. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. I'll admit the idea was daunting. Could I really create content that people would want to watch? And more importantly, could I actually monetize it quickly? The answer I found was a big fat yes, but it didn't come without effort. I focused on understanding the platform. I studied successful YouTubers and did a lot of research into an approach. Firstly, select a niche. Analyse popular trends. Understand what works and what are the competition doing. Produce engaging content. Optimise my videos. Optimise the SEO. And most crucially, engage with the people who took the time to comment on my videos. Within 5 weeks of my first video, I reached the monetization threshold. It was exhilarating and exciting. But I knew I couldn't put all my eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to any strong income and investment strategy. And it's no different when it comes to investing in yourself and your income streams. This is why, while keeping the foot on the gas with my YouTube channel, I turned to my next income stream. Number 2. I wrote and published my first book. With a head full of life knowledge and a heart full of stories, I began to write. I translated my experiences into a book. I poured my expertise into the pages and self-published them on Amazon. Then I started to do a little marketing and linked it to my YouTube channel. The royalties started trickling in, building a passive income stream that would require little to no ongoing effort after the initial creation. More books and different products were next, along with different publishing strategies to develop this income stream. Number 3. Cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, I delved into the world of cryptocurrency and DeFi projects. The blockchain revolution was in full swing and I wasn't about to sit on the sidelines. I learned about different coins, tokens and smart contracts. I invested small and cautiously, understanding the volatility of the market, but also its potential. I wasn't an overnight millionaire, but I was building yet another income stream. I have found some real-world asset crypto projects that are high yield, and yes, they do come with risk. Even through the crypto winter, they have continued to bring me income, and as we head into 2024, they will increase their delivery. Number 4, print on demand. Next, I ventured into print on demand. The beauty of this model is its simplicity. You design, they print, and you earn. I designed t-shirts, mugs and household items that resonated with my personal brand and what people were interested in. There were hits and misses of course, but each sale added to the mosaic of my online income. I opened my store on Etsy as my first platform and then began to build out onto other platforms to de-risk. Print on demand has become easier given the tools and artificial intelligence that is available. I started one store early in my journey and it took me 4 weeks to get a good selection of 12 products up and running. Recently I started a new store and I had 41 products up for sale in 1 week. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a good long-term passive income stream, but I found it hard to understand and learn all the key components. As well as physical products, I began affiliate marketing of digital products including PLR items. There are a lot of ways to start and develop affiliate marketing, however they all follow the same blueprint and I'll be going into the details of this in other videos. Number 6, monetizing my existing skills. I needed to support the household with cash flow, so I took stock of the skills I already possessed. Photography, a long-time passion of mine, seemed a natural fit. I sold my photos on stock websites, freelanced for local businesses and set up print on demand for my artwork. I also did some wedding photography. This wasn't a long-term plan because it was very time consuming with all the editing that it required. The point was to utilise my skills to make some quick money. This 16-month journey wasn't an easy one. There were days of doubt, of frustration, of trial and error. But each challenge was a lesson, and each failure a stepping stone to greater understanding. It has been difficult learning as there is a lot of misinformation out there, but with perseverance and the right sources of information, it is possible. But why am I sharing all this with you? Because I believe that in these uncertain times, when job security is a thing of the past, we all need to be prepared to pivot, to adapt, and to create our own opportunities. My mission with this channel is to help you do just that. I want to show you that it's possible to build multiple streams of income, to turn your skills and passions into profit, and to take control of your financial future. Today, it is even easier than when I started, as we have many artificial intelligence tools that help, and they will take some of the heavy lifting away from you. I will delve into some of the best in my videos and how they can support you with making money. Throughout the videos on my channel, I'm going to guide you through each step from the basics of setting up your own YouTube channel to navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency. I'll share the ins and outs of print on demand, reveal the methods behind affiliate marketing, and show you how to monetize the skills you might take for granted. So, either if you're already on this journey, or you're ready to start this journey and build something from the ground up, to create not just an income but a lifestyle that you're passionate about, then I hope you will subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit the bell to be notified of future videos, and I hope I can contribute and add value to your own success story. Thank you for watching. I hope you've got some value from today's video and from the content that I've provided, and until next time, keep building your dreams.